Welcome to Secrets Cap Cana. Adult only, adult luxury. And this is what has greeted us, a bottle of champagne. Or you can have raspberry absolute, Bombay, Tanqueray, Beefeater. And this is the bridal suite where you can come and get ready, have your makeup and hair done. And this is the spa where you can get a pedicure and a manicure. Junior suite, oceanfront, and this beautiful gentleman is my butler, Julio. Yes. And guess what he's doing? He's opening champagne for me. This is my view. Just a little touch of heaven. And this is Julio opening champagne. Julio, I couldn't be more happy. Secrets Cap Cana, where luxury is just part of your day. Welcome home. Oh, Julio, this is so wonderful. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate this. And I have a tray of fruit. Ah, thank you.
My pleasure.
And cheers.
Salud, we say in Spanish.
So Julio, what does a personal butler, what do you do?
All right, I am the person in case you need something, any situation on the room, or anything that you want on the room. Just you need to text me. You're gonna have my personal number. For example, if you need champagne, if you need wine, anything. You have the secret box. The secret box is for the dishes from room service. Example, if you want something like coffee in the morning and you don't want what coming, you don't want the people coming into the room, we put in your coffee from outside,
very nice.
And you don't have to open the door.
Very,
if you
very
want
nice.
breakfast on the room and you don't want the people coming into the room,
yes,
we put it from outside, you breakfast over here.
Perfect, perfect.
Yes.
And is there a mini bar as well?
Yes, the mini bar we have it here. And we provide to you water,
that's a great selection.
Beer, Coca-Cola, Fanta, all this stuff.
And the bathroom is?
Yes. The bathroom is in this way. Place.
Double vanity,
yes,
and makeup mirror.
Yes. We have it here, the shower.
My goodness, this may be one of the largest showers I've ever seen. Oh my. This is amazing. Very nice. And the toilet's there.
And the toilet room here.
Okay. And your amenities.
Yes,
and
the amenities here. This is for this here for your luggage when you leave it.
Okay, and
the hair
dryer. Awesome.
And the hair dryer.
Awesome. I'll tell you, this is really magnificent. I am going to really enjoy my stay here. Thank you so much. You now have been introduced to my butler, Julio. Look at this lovely little day bed. A tub. And look at this view. If you want a holiday, a getaway, a romantic honeymoon, a vacation, just to release and let go and relax, this could be your resort. Beautiful pools, fabulous cuisine, stunning beach, and a butler named Julio. Call me, Susan at Escapes, and I'll book your vacation getaway at Secrets Cap Cana. Look at this resort. It is amazing, but I think one of the best things about this is the service. It is impeccable, detailed. They make you feel special, and isn't that what having a vacation is all about? This is my view. It could be yours. Give me a call, Susan at Escapes. Let's chat. Secrets Cap Cana.